keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny and I'm so glad you're here with me today for this Get It Done video. We are gonna get as much as we can done before Christmas. So I have a to-do list ready to go and I'm ready to start checking off everything on my to-do list. So if you need some extra motivation to get some things done off of your list, stay tuned because that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be offering lots of motivation to get things done before Christmas. And I hope you guys enjoy it and thank you for watching.
First, I decided to make us a quick breakfast / lunch, kind of a brunch of bacon, eggs, and toast. I knew that I would have a lot of laundry to do and dishes and some house cleaning. Plus, I was planning on wrapping some presents, writing out Christmas cards, and making baklava and sugar cookies for the kids to decorate. So I had a very busy day ahead of me and I knew we needed a nice, quick, but filling and energizing breakfast. So meanwhile, I am getting some laundry together for my first load.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true.
And you might notice that Tony's not at the table. He is over across the street at our neighbor Tom's house, who is our good friend. And they are working on a Secret Santa project for the kids. Tom is always such a good help to us, like when we need a good pair of hands to do something and Tony goes to visit with him and they get it done. Tom is an awesome neighbor and we are so grateful for him. So we are going to make him some baklava as a thank you and have the kids bring it over later. So here I'm just waking up baby Alex from his nap. Well, actually he woke up on his own, but I went and got him and that way he could come join us for all this Christmas fun. And this is just so cute to me because those Mickey waffles are the first food that Alex has ever picked out himself. It was so cute because we were at the grocery and he saw them in the freezer section and he just reached out and said, "Mickey, Mickey," and he wanted them so bad. And normally I wouldn't even buy something like that for him because he still eats mostly baby food, but I had to get it for him. And so he's gonna have that for his breakfast today. And here are my ingredients for the baklava. I will have this recipe linked in my description box. It is super easy, guys. Don't be intimidated by baklava. It is so easy and delicious. And Noelle is my helper every year and we make this. It's like our little tradition and we love making it and we love enjoying it.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Jenny and I'm married to Tony and we have 3 kids, Noelle, Nathan, and Alex. Noelle's 14, Nathan's 11, and Alex just made 14 months. So we are just trying to get things done, trying to balance life right now in kind of a busy season. And I like to make videos on cleaning, organization, home decor, and just anything that might help inspire you or motivate you for the tasks ahead of you in any given week. So thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are new, please go ahead and drop me a comment, letting me know something about yourself. I love to get to know people in the comments.
Just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you.
And this is a little trick I learned years ago. Spray your measuring cup with a little bit of cooking spray before you put the honey in, and that way it all comes out without sticking to the measuring cup.
We're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas.
And the big kids are in the family room with Alex. They wanted him to be able to watch the movie Home Alone for the first time, which I thought was really cute.
I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby.
So how are you guys coming along with your Christmas to-do list? Are you making any progress? Are you getting close? I'm kind of thinking by the time I upload this video, we will be at the very door of Christmas Eve. So I'm thinking by this point, you've got everything done. You might just be finally at that point where you've gotten everything done. You're sitting down for the first time in a long time, maybe enjoying a cup of hot cocoa and catching up on a few videos. So if that's you, congratulations, good job. I mean, that is really, really impressive because this season has come on us so quickly. I'm telling you, it's like Christmas came in an instant, and I surely was not as prepared as I wanted to be. So if you guys have gotten at least most of your to-do list done by now, great job.
So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion.
And baklava is enjoyed best right out of the oven, so the kids are running this over to our neighbor Tom's house while it's still hot.
Hold on. ABC 1, 2, 3. It's so cute. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Tap the hand. Tap the hand. Tap the hand.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with
And here I have a little surprise helper. He came to help me with the laundry, and he's always such a good help. He's a big boy now.
Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh.
Now, I asked the kids if they wanted to play a board game or if they wanted to decorate sugar cookies, and they said sugar cookies. So I am making a very simple sugar cookie recipe. Again, I will link it in my description box, and that way they can go ahead and decorate the cookies. They like to get a little bit competitive, and they like to try to have a little decorating contest. So we'll see how that goes.
All the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
And even though they're as tall as me, they still like to lick the beaters.
making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance.
And the kids took a minute to open up a box from Indiana for Christmas, which is where Tony is from. And they haven't even gotten to the presents yet. They just like the stuffing.
All the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
And the competition this year was a snowman. So here is Noel's snowman, and right over here is Nathan's snowman. So you guys let me know, who do you think won the snowman contest? Let me just say I'm proud of both of them.
I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But This is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's...
And after I cleaned up all of the cookie stuff, I am spraying down my table with some Mrs. Meyer's in the Iowa Pine scent. And I love the way this smells. Guys, I'm so ready for Christmas. I'm really excited. It's right before us and I have so much anticipation. I just can't wait. It's been a really nice year and I'm looking forward even more to 2020. Let me know in the comments, what was your favorite thing about this year and what is the thing you're looking most forward to for next year? What is your hope for next year? So by this point, the kids had finished their movie and they actually went off to spend the night at my mom's. So she's gonna take them off and show them a nice little Christmas sleepover. And I figured I would come in here and kind of tackle this kitchen. I didn't really like the looks of it. I was not looking forward to cleaning it. But once I put my Christmas music on and had another cup of coffee, yes, I said another. I definitely need a couple of cups of coffee, at least 2 or 3 to get through a day like this. But I got in here and started cleaning and it started feeling so good to get it done and have a clean kitchen again. It is definitely worth the effort. And I figure after this, I'll go ahead and fold all of that laundry and get some Christmas cards written out and maybe even wrap a couple of presents. So stay tuned if you're interested in seeing that.
Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
It's cold outside, it tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind.
And I'm just giving my counters a quick clean with the Method Granite Cleaner.
People singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why
And I keep my Christmas presents here in my closet in a box that I keep the Christmas decorations in. So since the decorations are out, the box is empty, and so I just use it to store Christmas presents. So I took a couple out, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap a couple of presents just to stay on track.
My winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. my winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way, a reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing, it's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow
I am loving these little organizers that I picked up on Amazon. We each have them for our drawers, and I just bring them out and fold the laundry and put them directly into the bins. And then if the kids are here, they carry their bins back to their drawers and put them away. But it just makes it so easy because you just simply fold it right there on the table, stick it in, it stays nice, and it doesn't slide all around the drawers, and it fits really nice in the drawers. So if anybody's interested, I can give you the Amazon link, but I'm really loving these.
Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true.
Guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure you're subscribed before you head out today, because I would love to see you back here again and become a part of this family and a part of this channel. And if you're coming back again, thank you so much for your support. I appreciate it so much. Every time you come back means the world to me. So I hope you guys have a fun, safe, and happy and Merry Christmas with your friends and family. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.